And now we're in a position to start up with a few data structures in Python. Let's go with the first one, that is strings. Alright, so let's say we'll start up with strings. What we can do is we can do it in the shell itself. That would be better so that we can understand it better. So let's open up the shell. I'll just open up the shell and I'll maybe just a second. Yeah, I'll restart the shell. Okay, so after restarting the shell, let's begin up once again. Cool. Okay, so in the shell, let me define a string. Let me call it as hello world. This is your string. Type of S, class str. Now there are a few built-in functions which can be used on this particular S. One of the built-in functions being len. Len of S will tell you the length of the string. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So space is also included as one of the characters. 11 characters in this particular string. So len of string is len of S. Okay. Strings are ordered, which means each of them have an index corresponding to it, which means H is at index 0, E is at index 1, L is at index 2, and so on. So I can access them using their index. So I can access each character using the index by saying string, that is S, and then say S of, I need to say, let's say I say S of 2. What is that going to be? L. Why? Because this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So if I say S of 1, it's going to be E, right? 0, 1. Okay. If I say S of len of S, what is len of S? Alright. If I want the last element of the string, what is the last element of the string? This one. Grade D. Now what is going to be the index of D? What is the length of the string? 11. The length of the string is 11. And what location is this D at? 0, 1, 2, 2. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. So D is at 10th position, but that total length is 11, which means can I say len of S minus 1? This is going to be 10. If I can say the character at, that is how it is told, S at, character at, what? Len of S minus 1. So this is the index. I need to put it out there. Let's put it. Len of S minus 1. What is it? D. But there's also an easier method in Python. Python says you don't need to write this. Python says you can directly write it with minus 1 is D. S of minus 2 is L. S of minus 3 is R, which means this is minus 1. This is minus 2, this is minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on. That's how it goes. That's right. So, what can I do? I'll say, if I want to iterate over this entire string, iterate meaning I want to use a loop, and I want to print each of these characters on different lines. Then let me say I can use it like this for I in range. Range what? I need to give the maximum range that it can go up till is len of S. Len of S minus 1 actually, but range already takes it 1 less. All I need to do is print what? S of I. Hello world. Does it do exactly what I want? Yes. But there's also another way. Okay, so that means if I want to print index also along with it, I can say I, comma, S of I. That'll print me the index and the character. So you have the index along with the character. That is, index is there in I. But there is another kind of a for loop, which can be used whenever you use strings, lists, tuples, and so on. The kind of for loop that is used is, I can say for every element instead of using range function, I don't need to use range function. I can directly iterate over the string by just saying S. Just saying S. All I need to do is print E. What is E? E is directly the character itself. E is not the index. E is the character. E is not a number. E is the element in string S. Is that very clear? Yes, that's about our particular element. Okay,